friends, welcome to Read and Cook with WSPL. This is Miss Janet and I'm going to read a story and it has food in it, so I hope that it will inspire you to cook together, child and parent or child and older sibling. So the book I chose for today is called If You Give a Pig a Pancake, and it's written by Laura Numeroff and it is published by Harper Collins. So if you give a pig a pancake, and I will post my favorite recipe for pancakes. So hopefully this will inspire you to cook pancakes today or sometime soon. So if you give a pig a pancake. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. Who likes syrup with their pancakes? I know that I do. They are so yummy with syrup. So you'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. Oh boy, that sounds yummy. She'll probably get all sticky. Syrup is the worst. So she'll want to take a bath. So up you go to the bathtub. When you're sticky, a bath is good. She'll ask you for some bubbles. Who likes a bubble bath? Those are awesome. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy, and you'll have to find your rubber duck. That sounds fun. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll probably want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Are you going to end up going on a little trip to the farm? Cool. Then she'll look under your bed, and when she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something special to wear with them. Wow, this sounds like an awesome adventure. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. Yay! You'll play your very best piano piece and she'll start dancing. Oh boy, cool. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. You're busy running around getting everything. When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Oh, it's fun to pose for pictures. And then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. Nice. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps and take her to the mailbox. Oh my goodness, look at that big stack. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard and she'll want to build a tree house. Oh my, so much fun. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. And when the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. Oh, that looks so awesome. She'll ask for wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she will get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. And she'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks for some syrup, she'll want a pancake to go with it. Oh my goodness. That is quite the adventure, quite the story. And if you weren't hungry for pancakes before, hopefully you're going to think it's time to make some pancakes. So there will be a recipe for pancakes posted along with this story. So I hope that you will get out your bowl and your spoon and all the ingredients and you'll make a batch of pancakes and get out that sticky syrup and end up going on your very own adventure. So have an awesome day, have fun cooking, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.